Now lecture number 17, topic P block element, subtopic structure and bonding in diborane. Diborane is a hydrides of third A group element. Now this is the structure of B2S6 molecule, which is electron deficient. Electron diffraction and infrared spectroscopy studied has proved that this is the structure of diborane, which contain terminal 4 hydrogen atom and 2 bridge hydrogen atom. We will see it in next slide. Now this is the this picture gives idea about the structure of B2S6. Now these are 4 terminal hydrogen atom and 2 bridge hydrogen atom. This is the bridge hydrogen atom. These are the 4 terminal atom. Now the bond angle between terminal hydrogen and boron is 22 degrees Celsius, whereas the bond angle between uh, boron and bridge hydrogen atom is a 97 degrees Celsius, and this bridge bond is called as a banana bond. Now here at the top side it is shown that one hybrid orbital of one boron and one hybrid orbital of second boron uh, get overlap with one s orbital of hydrogen, and there is a formation of a bridge bond takes place. Now here you have seen only 2 electron. This 2 electron, one electron is from hydrogen and one electron is from one of this boron atom. Though there are 3 center on this one, this is the first center, this is second center, and this is the third center, and 2 electron. That's why this bridge bond is called as a 3C2E bond. Now B2S6 contain 2 types of bond. First type called as a 4 terminal, which is also called as a 2C2E B-HT bond. This is the first type. Now this bond is formed between hydrogen and boron. The electronic configuration, the atomic number of boron is 5. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Now in excited state, electron from 2s orbital goes to the empty p orbital, and now it becomes as 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. Now this excited state electronic configuration of boron indicate that there are 3 unpaired electron and 1 empty orbital is available. Now these orbitals undergo hybridization and there is a formation of sp3 hybrid orbitals takes place. So boron having 4 sp3 hybridized orbital. Now second one, 2 bridge 3C2E bond, which is also called as a B1HB P2 bond. Now terminal bond formation, let's see the previous one. Now how the terminal bond get formed? The 4 hydrogen atom form normal covalent bond and there is a formation of 2 BH2 unit takes place. Now in bridge bond formation, after formation of BH2 unit, boron is having 2 orbitals. One is having one unpaired electron and another one is remaining as a empty. प्रत्येक बोरॉन जवळ 4 sp3 हायब्रिड ऑर्बिटल आहेत. त्यापैकी 3 हायब्रिड ऑर्बिटल मध्ये प्रत्येकी एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन आहे आणि एक हायब्रिड ऑर्बिटल मात्र काय आहे, टोटली एम्प्टी आहे. या 3 पैकी 2 हायब्रिड ऑर्बिटल 2 टर्मिनल हायड्रोजन बरोबर बॉन्ड फॉर्म करतात BH2 युनिट. मग शिल्लक काय राहतं, तर 2 sp3 हायब्रिड ऑर्बिटल शिल्लक राहतात. त्यामध्ये एका sp3 हायब्रिड ऑर्बिटल मध्ये अनपेड इलेक्ट्रॉन आहे तर दुसरा मात्र काय आहे, एम्प्टी आहे. ही अशी सिच्युएशन दोन्ही बोरॉनजवळ आहे. ब्रिज बॉन्ड फॉर्म होताना समजा पहिल्या बोरॉनचं हाफ फिल्ड ऑर्बिटल आणि दुसऱ्या बोरॉनचं एम्प्टी ऑर्बिटल ज्याच्यामध्ये एकही इलेक्ट्रॉन नाही. पहिल्या बोरॉनचं हाफ फिल्ड ऑर्बिटल, दुसऱ्या बोरॉनचं एम्प्टी ऑर्बिटल गेट ओव्हरलॅप विथ हाफ फिल्ड ऑर्बिटल ऑफ हायड्रोजन. म्हणजे हायड्रोजनमध्ये एकच इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेझेंट असेल. हायड्रोजनचा एक इलेक्ट्रॉन आणि बोरॉनचा एक इलेक्ट्रॉन असं मिळून तिथे 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन होतात आणि 3 सेंटर होतात. पहिला बोरॉन, मधला हायड्रोजन आणि दुसरा बोरॉन, म्हणून त्या ब्रिज बॉन्डला दुसरं नाव आहे 3C2 इलेक्ट्रॉन बॉन्ड सेंटर. अशाच पद्धतीने दुसरा बॉन्ड सुद्धा फॉर्म होतो. दुसरा बॉन्ड फॉर्म होताना पहिल्या बोरॉनचं एम्प्टी ऑर्बिटल, दुसऱ्या बोरॉनचं हाफ फिल्ड ऑर्बिटल गेट ओव्हरलॅप विथ half filled orbital of hydrogen, and thus there is a formation of 2 bridge bond takes place, which is called as a 3C2E bond, also denoted as B1HB2 bond. Now this 3C2E having banana shape. Now this banana shape is because of repulsion between the positive charge on two bridge hydrogen atom. It is electron deficient. So having plus charge, and because of that there is a repulsion, and hence the bond get bent, and there is a formation of banana shape takes place. Now this structure having some chemical evidences called as a for supporting this structure. What is that? NMR and Raman spectra show that these four terminal hydrogen atom and bridging hydrogen atom are of different type. The diboron on methylation. डायबोरनची मिथायलेशन म्हणजे CH3I किंवा CH3CBr यांच्याबरोबर रिॲक्शन घडवून आणली तर इट इज ऑब्झर्व दॅट इट गिव्स 4 मिथाइल diboron, indicating that this bridging hydrogen does not take part in a chemical reaction. Now this is overall structure of diboron. This is a banana shape. Now here one orbital which contain electron and one orbital of another boron which is empty get overlapped with half filled orbital of hydrogen. There is a formation of bridge bond. Now here there is a formation of a bridge bond takes place. Now on methylation, only the terminal hydrogen, this is the reactions take by step, and there is a 4 methyl get attached at the terminal, whereas bridging hydrogen remain as it is, indicating these are remain inert, does not take part in a chemical reaction. This structure shows that 4 hydrogen terminal hydrogen are in one plane, whereas bridging hydrogen one is above, another one is below. So these are in two different planes. Third evidence is that the specific heat measurement of B2H6, indicating that the B2H6 molecule cannot be rotated against each other. Now this hinder rotation म्हणजे rotation होऊ शकत नाही. हे hinder rotation clearly shows that two bridging hydrogen atom lie in a one plane at right angle to that in which two boron and 4 terminal hydrogen atoms are present. So this also indicates that bridging hydrogen and terminal hydrogens are different with one another. Now this is the structure which gives the idea about this is a terminal hydrogen atom. This is a bridge hydrogen. One is above the plane, one is below the plane. Now this gives clear idea about formation of B2H6 molecule. sp3 hybrid orbital of one boron, sp3 hybrid orbital of second boron. One boron which contains suppose one electron and one electron from hydrogen. That means there are two electrons in bridging bond. One is belongs from hydrogen, another one belongs from boron. But there are three center. कोणते तीन सेंटर आहेत ते? पहिला बोरॉन, हायड्रोजन आणि दुसरा बोरॉन. हे तीन सेंटर असल्यामुळे 3C आणि दोनच इलेक्ट्रॉन कोणाचे? दोन्हीपैकी एका बोरॉनचा एक इलेक्ट्रॉन आणि एक इलेक्ट्रॉन हायड्रोजनचा. सिमिलर कंडिशन इज फॉर सेकंड ब्रिजिंग बॉन्ड. याचा समजा दुसऱ्या वेळेस याचा हाफ फील्ड ऑर्बिटल sp3 आणि पहिल्या बोरॉनचा empty sp3 hybrid orbital get overlap with half filled orbital of hydrogen, and there is a formation of second bridging bond takes place, and this is the 4 terminal hydrogen atom. So this is the structure in B2H6 molecule. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Go through videos which is available on the internet, you get clear idea.